So this is the initial foam stage for the Yamaha. We let this sit for about 5 minutes to really break down the dirt before we move on to the hand wash.
Focus on the tactile cleaning. We let the foam do the work, gently gliding the mitt across the fairings.
Okay, nice and slow now. Getting all the little bits out. Look at that shine coming through.
Carefully unscrewing the last fastener now, making sure to place it with the others so nothing gets lost.
Okay, that's the last bolt.
Now we carefully lift the fairing away from the frame. We don't want to break any tabs.
This old R1 tank is heavily varnished. You can see the dried fuel residue clinging to the sides, right next to the rust.
Watch as the grease dissolves naturally, revealing the pristine aluminum underneath.
As you can see, this chain is heavily neglected. The key is to saturate the rollers and let the cleaner break down that thick, black grease.
And look at that, it's completely clogged. There's no way this engine was getting proper airflow with all this debris.
We're carefully clearing the intake passages here. See how the microfiber picks up the dust without scratching the aluminum.
This is a neglected 1998 YZF-R1 rotor. We're using soft brushes and cleaner to remove this rust-colored residue.
This is the original 98 R1 hub. We're carefully brushing away the hardened grease before the final polish with the cloth.
We use a biodegradable cleaner and soft brushes to gently lift years of oxidation.
We're using the electrical cleaner now, just a little bit on the cloth to make sure we get all this grime off the connectors.
And that is the final rinse for this classic R1. Looking good. Dropping the last few bolts in now, making sure the oil covers everything completely.
Using the precision ratchet to slowly back out the seized bolt.
The key is consistent pressure. You can see the aluminum starting to reflect the workshop now. It takes time, but the result is worth it.
Using the correct size socket, carefully loosen the top cap. Now we can drain the old fluid before separating the internal components onto the bench. Ensure the seal is well lubricated. Then, using the driver, gently tap it down until it sits flush with the casing. Now we use the high-performance synthetic grease. Work it deliberately into every roller until it's fully packed. We use the precision puller to slowly extract the worn bearing.
With the cover off, we can clearly see the friction plates and the steels. Now we carefully inspect the basket and the pressure plate before arranging them.
First, gently push the piston upward until the rings clear the cylinder. Then, carefully lift the rod and
We apply a precise bead of assembly lubricant, making sure it coats the entire surface evenly before we install the crankshaft. All right, now we carefully slide the ring over the piston. Feel the tension. Then we use the The key is to apply even heat and then sand it down meticulously. We need to ensure the surface is completely smooth before painting. Applying the final coat of premium clear. Notice the deep, mirror-like gloss starting to form.
We use the hydraulic lift to stabilize the bike, then carefully slide the front axle into position, ensuring perfect alignment before torquing down the bolts.
And that's the last one. Perfect.
Now for the final stage, securing the tank. We use a precision torque wrench to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and tightened.
Once the airbox is seated, tighten the hose clamps evenly. Listen for the satisfying click as they secure the intake.
Precision is key on the R1. We'll torque these down gently and check the fitment one last time.
Okay, compressing the lever slowly now. You can see the fluid moving, and there's the air bubble.
Now we apply the premium polish in slow, circular motions to achieve that perfect mirror finish.
Every bolt torqued, every surface traced. This 1998 R1 is now arguably better than new. The finish quality is superb.
Behold the 1998 Yamaha YZF-R1, restored to its former glory, a true icon of the open road.